Hi everyone, this is Alex Reed for Reed Projects, and today we're going to see how to build a parking assistant. So for this project you will need an HC-SR04 distance sensor, the Arduino of course, an RGB LED, and few wires. So first let's connect the VCC and the ground of the breadboard with the ones of the Arduino. Then let's plug the HC-SR04. This sensor has 4 wires. So we have the ground, the VCC that we just connect with the ones of the Arduino. And we also have the trigger pin that the Arduino will use to trigger the sensor, and the echo that will return the distance, and the Arduino will compute the signal. So first let's connect the trigger pin to the pin 12 of the Arduino. Then we can connect the echo pin to the pin 13 of the Arduino. And that's it for this one. So let's connect the RGB LED. So this one just has a ground, and we have we have to connect the red, the green, and the blue color to the Arduino. Regarding the green LED, we'll connect it to the pin 10 of the Arduino. Then we'll connect the red LED to the pin 9. And finally the blue one to the pin 11. So regarding the wiring, that's it. We just have to plug the Arduino and we will be ready to upload the code. Regarding the code, I uploaded snippets on my GitLab account. So you can go on the Reed Project GitLabs, just click on snippet here, and you will have the Arduino tutorial for the HC-SR04 as a parking assistant. So you just have to open this snippet, copy paste everything into your Arduino IDE. Just like this. And well, let's take a quick look about the code. So first, I define all the input and outputs I need. So this one are for the distance sensor. So you have the trigger and the echo that we'll use on the that we wired on the pin 12 and 13. We have the LED here that for red it's 9, for green it's 10, and for blue it's 11. Regarding those ones, this is a distance for the different state of the LED. So in the setup, we'll set the trigger pin as an output and the echo pin as an input. For the LED, of course, the 3 will be an output. I wrote a small function here that will get the distance of any HC-SR04 sensor. So you have to just pass the echo pin, the trigger pin, and you will get the distance. And of course the distance that is returned is in centimeters. So here is the main code. So first we'll get the distance of the sensor. Now I will just echo it in the serial port. And we'll check the different states. So the first one is the object is too near. If it's too near, I want the red LED. So I turn off the two other ones and just keep the red one. If the distance is bigger than the minimum distance but smaller than the maximum distance, I want a green one. So this is the expected range when, for example, you want your car. This one is just if the distance is not in the expected range yet, but it's not ignored. Because I don't want the blue LED always on, I just want it when I'm near the sensor. And here we just ignore everything else. And we'll loop on this every time. So let's just upload this code. Save it. While it's uploading, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. You just have to click on the right corner. And that's it. So this code is working. So what I want to do with this is just to play a bit with the HC-SR04. I will use it in other projects like robot, or I'm not sure yet about what I will do with it, but I will do a lot of things for sure. So thanks for watching, and please don't forget to share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.